Welcome back, kids! Last time, we learned about the use of the linking verbs is and are.
But before we proceed to our next lesson, let's check your understanding of is and are. Choose the correct linking verb. The man is or are playing the guitar. What is the correct linking verb to use in this sentence? Correct, is. The man is playing the guitar.
What about the sentence, this bag is are mine? What linking verb will correctly complete this sentence? That's right, is. This bag is mine.
Let's try to complete the sentence. Anna and Miko blank going to the birthday party. Now, what linking verb should we use? Is or are? Great job! The answer is are. Anna and Miko are going to the birthday party.
You all did great! We can now proceed to another set of linking verbs, which are was and were. Was and were basically just have the same use as is and are. The only difference is that we use them if the sentence is in the past tense or is already done.
Was is used if the action happened in the past and if the subject is singular. For example, the man was playing his guitar earlier.
We know that this sentence is in the past tense because of the time marker earlier. And since the subject is the man, which is singular, we have to use was.
Were, spelled W-E-R-E, is used if the action happened in the past and if the subject is plural. Example, the man and his son were playing the guitar earlier. Since the time marker earlier states a past action, this sentence is in the past tense. Now, in this sentence, we have two subjects, the man and his son. Therefore, we must use the linking verb were.
For you to easily understand it, let's look at this chart. For present tense, we use is for singular subject and are for plural subject. Whereas in past tense, we use was for singular subject and were for plural subject.
Remember, we use the linking verbs is and are if the sentence is in the present tense, and was and were if the sentence is in the past tense.
Well put, Miss Molly. Was for the singular subject and were for the plural subject.
That's right. Let's practice. Choose the correct linking verb to use in this sentence. Yesterday, my sisters and I were trying on our new dresses. What linking verb should we use? Correct. We have to use the linking verb were. Yesterday, my sisters and I were trying on our new dresses.
How about the sentence, she were sweeping the floor a moment ago? What What linking verb will complete the sentence? Right, was. She was sweeping the floor a moment ago.
Congratulations, kids! You finished another English 101 lesson today. See y'all next time!